morning guys, welcome to another video of Hoodstick, and today we're on our way to Adam to see his Mitsubishi Colt. Stop the what? Second gear, look. Wow! I do miss this road because I used to drive the Skyline down here and the Subaru, and it was fantastic. I am having a debate on whether to get an exhaust for this or not because I do like the quietness. Proper rally roads. Double roads. That's where that quattro comes in. That's what we pay for. We pay for the quattro. This car needs to be on the track. I really do think this is like wet road, B road car. I couldn't trust that in the Type R. I'd totally be slipping out, oversteering everywhere, but this car, I can't even brake traction. Not that I'm trying to, but when you drive with the gas and downshift, it doesn't spin out or anything. You just feel confident in this car. I wouldn't want a cookie as well. Nice British weather. Adam's Mitsubishi Colt now, and we're gonna do a POV drive in his Colt. Take it from there. This car is rapid, man. Loving your video on this phone as well.
He doesn't actually seem very happy. The flash me actually.
What does that mean? Allow him, allow him. Chill. What the? Oh my days!
This is my road.
That's how I know. Bro, that is an animal of a car. Okay. Chill. Wow, man, this on suspensions, bro. What, man?
It's just lowering springs, stock shocks. I've got coilovers for it. It's gonna fit, man.
I can't believe it. It's either that or being a passenger in this car is mad. You're smoking, man.
Good, yeah?
I'm good.
This is mine now.
It's yours, bro. Bro, Type R don't handle. Type R does not handle like that, bro.
EP3's handle better than this.
Yeah.
Sure. I'm sure.
No way.
They handle better than this.
No
100%.
way, bro. That was. Nah, I think this handles better,
I
man.
used to come down here all the time in my EP3. That was mapped.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And you're saying EP3 handles
EP3
better.
on these lanes
Yeah.
would take this, but this in a straight line would take an EP3.
That is mad, that is.
I think the handling on this is pretty poor, to be honest.
Bro, I'm not no lie. I rate you from. I don't know when, but you got some
I think it's
experience.
from,
You sure you ain't done no track day yet?
Nah, not yet. I'd love to.
I really think like you upped the game with your skills, bro. I understand, bro, how you had the confidence to do what you did with the skyline and everywhere
Yeah.
because how.
This is where I don't like go down the age before to race anyone.
Yeah,
I just
yeah,
come
yeah.
here on my own because these roads are normally empty.
Yeah. Oh, the bed's down there.
No way! Come on, no way! No way!